one of the do's I'd made mention on my previous video is I do not let my hair get dry before I braid it cornrow or before I make a protective style. I made mention of that in my previous video, and that is what I'm showing you guys now. Just out from the bathroom, I put in my leave-in conditioner and I go on and braiding the hair. Yeah, that is what has helped me. Probably it will help you too. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just finished washing my hair and I thought I could show you guys my best style, my best protective style for the hair. Just finished washing off the aloe vera on the hair and it feels so good. It feels so good. So I want to use my leave-in conditioner. This is aloe vera equally, but this I use this as a leave-in conditioner. I leave it on the hair, I don't wash it out. Okay, so I'm gonna spread it down evenly to the hair, not as much as the one I put during my detangling process. There are so many things that aloe vera can do to your hair. It can straighten it, give you back the nutrient your hair is lacking. It can help in your itchy scalp, dandruff. It can help with hair growth. It can help to moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized, not dry. So there are so many things aloe vera can do to the hair. But I don't only use aloe vera for my hair, so you need to stay tuned to see all the things that I use for my hair that actually works magic. So I'm making my protective style now. I want to I want to do this style because of my edges. I'm trying to build back my edges. It all got broken. It all got broken the last braid I did. I think 2-3 months ago. It all got broken 3 months ago. The last braid I did 3 months ago was very bad. All my edges was off. The last Rasta braid I did. Rasta braid I did last was horrible. It broke all my front hair. It was really bad, like really bad. So I'm doing this style. It's called protective style for my edges. So in order to build back my edges, that is the reason why I'm doing this style. To help my edges grow back, guys. I hope my channel helps you in one way or the other to solve your hair problems. We are the beautiful black women. So sorry guys if my video quality and my editing looks childish. I'm still new into this game and I'm doing all by myself. So please bear with me. I will grow over time. I will get better over time. It's a promise. It's a promise. I will definitely get better with the time. One of the do's I may mention on my previous video is I do not let my hair get dry before I braid it cornrow or before I make a protective style. I made mention of that in my previous video, and that is what I'm showing you guys now. Just out from the bathroom, I put in my leave-in conditioner and I go on and braiding the hair. Yeah, that is what has helped me. Probably it will help you too. Just figure out what works for you and then you go with it. Okay. Okay guys. Okay guys, I'm done with my protective hairstyle and as a leave-in conditioner, it's so cooling to put it on the hair. So cooling. I want to make sure I spray all of it that is on the bottle on my hair. For this one, you don't need to actually put on a rubber band on your hair or a poly bag on your hair. You just need to wear your usual bonnet and you're good to go. Okay, so this treatment or this procedure will last me for a week. In the morning, I put on my wig and I go to work. I'm good to go for the week. So these procedures, I do them every single week. Every single week, I do it. Okay, so I don't only use aloe vera on my hair. I use varieties of things. And if you stay with me on this channel, I'm going to share a lot of them that I use. And each one of it has what it does on the hair. Okay, you have the one that it is for straightening. Aloe vera also does straightening, but there is one particular ingredient that is very good, super good for straightening and also for shining of your hair. So guys, I'm done with today's video. Thank you once again for staying through, and please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to share with your friends and family, your loved ones, and also do not forget to comment. If there's anything you want to try, any question you have, you can put it down in the comment section. Here, your girl again here, Stacy, and peace.